Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a great festive season. With the onset of winters and the ever increasing pollution levels in Delhi, it is really bad right now. I've been on the lookout for new skincare products for myself, things that can save my skin from the effects of pollution while also actually taking good care of my skin. That's what I'm looking for. Also, with the present COVID-19 pandemic situation, I haven't visited a salon in more than 8 or 9 months now. The last time I went there was in February 2019, and I haven't been to a salon ever since because I'm maintaining social distancing. So, I'm also looking for products which can get me salon-like glow, salon-like skin, a salon-like facial at home and easily. And in my quest to find a product which will give me salon-like skin, a salon-like facial which will take care of my skin and also save my skin from pollution, I chanced upon the new Pond's Charcoal Anti-Pollution Facial Kit. This is one of the two variants that has been launched by Pond's. One is this charcoal variant which I picked up for myself. There's another one called the Skin Brightening Facial Kit, which also you can check out, but since I am living in Delhi where it's highly polluted, I picked up the charcoal kit which saves your skin from the effects of pollution. So let's take a look at what's inside. And also, I'm deliberately not wearing any makeup in this video because I've just done my facial, and this is my bare skin right after the facial. You can see the glow on my skin. I am really happy with the result. If you want to know more details about the kit, keep watching. Also, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications from my side. And now let's get started. So first things first, coming to the packaging, you get the kit in a box packaging like this. It has a tray inside on which all of the tubes are arranged, and all the tubes are also numbered, so you can easily go from step 1 to step 6. Just follow the numbers on the tubes. The best part I like is that you get tubes inside this facial kit. The best part about this kit is that all the 6 products, they come in tube packaging like this, so you can easily use them and store them back after each usage, because with this one kit you can do your facial 3 times. So if you have to use one, say the first product which is the face wash, you have to use it for 3 times, you should be able to store it properly so that things don't get dried up inside. So I really like the tube packaging because I know that I can store it for the next usage and it is not going to get dried up inside, because a lot of times in the past I've bought kits and all the products are in sachets, and then the next time you open up one of the sachets, something or the other has always dried up, and then the whole facial experience goes into the bin. So major props to Pond's for giving us packaging in tube form. These are all easy to carry, easy to store tubes, and really handy. Another great part is the price. The kit is for 300 rupees, and you can also score some discounts online when you're shopping online. This is for 300 rupees, and it has 6 tubes inside, each containing about 12 grams of product, and one kit is going to last you 3 times, so 3 facials in 300 rupees, which is such a great deal. You can also easily get this online and offline. I'm going to leave links to the online store in the description box down below. Don't forget to check it out. Now I'm going to show you a demo of all the products of the whole kit and take you through each of the 6 products one by one. We'll start with the first one, which is the face wash. This has activated carbon, and the formula helps remove the impurities and pollution particles from the surface of your skin. All you have to do is wet your face, create some lather, and gently massage the face and neck, and then rinse it off. The whole range has a very mild fragrance, nothing too overpowering. It's a very soothing experience for you. You feel like you are getting relaxed. So I really like that also about the entire range. The next product is the Pollution Off Scrub. It is enriched with walnut shell powder. It helps exfoliate dead cells and remove excess oil. And what I like about this is that the scrubbing particles are very gentle on the skin. They are not very harsh, so you don't get too abrasive with your skin. You gently scrub off dead cells and impurities from the surface of your skin. Just wet your skin, or after the first step, don't dry your skin. Just apply the scrub on the wet skin from step 1. and massage this into your skin for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can rinse it off with cold water and then pat dry your skin for the next step. The third one is the Pond's Revitalizing Creme or the Nourishing Creme. It has vitamin B3 and vitamin E, and these are very good at hydrating your skin. You just gently massage this into your skin for about a minute or two till it gets completely absorbed, and you'll instantly feel that your skin is hydrated and your skin is moisturized and taken care of. The fourth step is the actual massage cream, that one step in a facial regimen which I actually wait for all the time. This is a deeply nourishing massage cream. It has glycerin and oat extracts. It moisturizes your skin from within to give you a nice healthy glow. Again, massage the cream onto your face and neck in light circular motions like I'm doing here, and if you want, you can use water in between, because you would want to do this massage for a longer period, say about 10 to 15 minutes, so you can use water in between, and in the end just wipe off with some moist cotton and you should be good to go. Fifth step, and a very exciting one, is the peel off mask. This has bamboo charcoal and it helps remove blackheads to brighten your skin. Peel off mask is the kind of experience that we all want from a facial. Everyone wants that wow step in a facial, and I definitely think that a peel off mask is one of them. You just apply a thin layer all over your face. Remember to avoid the mouth area, the eye area, and the hairline in general, and just apply a thin layer. And this one is also very easy to peel off. I like to just rub my fingers to start the peeling process, and then like to pick up the peel from the skin, and it's very easy to peel off too, nothing too abrasive, but this one is very relaxing. It's a very enjoyable experience. You would love peeling this off your skin, and you would really want to use this every single day just for the wow factor. So this is one step which I really like. Last but not the least, step number 6, the finishing creme or the pollution protect cream. This helps protect from pollution after the facial is done, and it helps also restore glow onto your skin. Again, you just take it on your fingertips and massage it into your skin for a few minutes, say 1 or 2 minutes, and then you just leave it there. You don't have to wipe this off or wash your face after this, because this cream is supposed to be the finishing step, and you leave it onto your skin for the rest of the day or the night whenever you're doing your facial, and you can see the result. My skin is literally glowing. I'm really not wearing any makeup right now except for a little bit of tint on my lips, and I love my skin right now. It really feels very smooth and soft, and you can see that it looks very shiny, which is something we all want from a facial. And it wasn't very difficult to do. All the steps like a salon facial have been done at home easily in the comfort of my home. So I'm really happy with the results, and you do see visible results right from the first time you use the facial kit, and you can use this facial kit for 3 times. So I think it is a great value for money, because you're really getting one facial in 100 rupees in the comfort of your home. You maintain your social distancing protocol. There's no risk of cross contamination, things that happen when you go to a salon. You use your own towels, you use your own hands, clean, sanitized and everything. I'm very finicky about all these things, especially because of COVID. So this is a kind of regimen which I would like to continue in the coming months, because why not? A good facial, it's always beneficial for your skin. Every 2 weeks you should get something like this done, because this removes all the surface impurities, imparts new life into your skin, helps improve the blood circulation, which gives you a nice glow, removes surface impurities. You get a nice massage, you feel relaxed, your facial muscles, all the tension that builds up in your facial muscles, that also gets released. Lymphatic drainage happens. Overall a facial is good for your skin, it's good for you, and when you use something like this at home, it is even more relaxing and calming, and you are sure that you're not picking up any infections from anybody. Also with this facial kit, you're targeting the harmful effects of pollution. It has charcoal, which is, deeply cleansing. It detoxifies your skin. It helps remove impurities, remove excess oil, and give you a nice glow and generally healthy, glowing looking skin. It also claims to remove suntan, and with regular usage it also gives you hydrated and taut firm skin. So it checks all the right boxes for me. I am really loving this kit right now. This kit is also suitable for all skin types, so anybody, literally anybody, can use it. Now you should also discuss the cons. I don't really see a con with the product, with the kit as such, but the only thing is that you have to use your own elbow grease, do all the massage yourself. So the experience of going to a salon and getting your facial done from somebody else is definitely missing. But given the current scenario, I wouldn't want to take that risk. Also, you can always ask somebody at home to do the massage for you. Maybe your mom, your partner, somebody can do this for you while you are lying down. So that gives you nice bonding time, plus you won't really have to do all that effort. So that was it about the Pond's kit from my side. I really like it, and you can see the results on my skin. No makeup, no filter. And I really hope you guys will also give this a try, because it's a great product and something that you would definitely enjoy, and it gives great results. It's very affordable, easily available, plus given the current scenario, something like this is highly recommended. It's great that Pond's has come out with these two kits, which give you this salon-like facial, salon-like glow at home in such a great budget. I really would recommend you to check out the product. The links are going to be in the description box down below. Don't forget to check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified of my new videos. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.